Just let it go. So what Noel has done right now, he's tacked the door in at the top and bottom just to get it secure and level. Okay, so we're gonna have to shim that corner, push the door out just a little. We've just completed installing our Bulldog security screen for this customer. As you can see, the view from inside out is fantastic. Solid sounding door. If you haven't already subscribed, you're watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos, and give us a like because it helps us out. Thanks again. If you have questions, give us a call. Skinner's Custom Screens.